There's nothing quite like the warm, crackling sound of a fire on a chilly evening. It's the heart of the home, a place for gathering and creating memories. But every time you burn wood, a dangerous substance called creosote builds up. This highly flammable residue can lead to dangerous chimney fires, a threat that could destroy your home. Regular cleaning isn't just about looks, it's about safety and efficiency. A little maintenance gives you complete peace of mind and better performance. Before you start, gather the right protective equipment. Lay down a drop cloth and wear gloves, safety glasses, and a dust mask. You'll need a metal shovel, metal bucket, stiff brushes, and cleaning solutions. For cleaning solutions, try warm soapy water for light stains or baking soda paste for tough buildup. With everything ready, you're prepared to transform your sooty hearth into a clean centerpiece. First, ensure the fireplace is completely cool. Wait at least 24 hours after your last fire. Remove the grate and andirons, placing them on your drop cloth. Lightly mist the ashes with water to prevent dust from flying everywhere. Gently scoop the ash into your metal bucket, working slowly and methodically. Apply your cleaning solution and scrub the firebox walls in circular motions. This takes elbow grease, but it's worth it. Clean the grate outside with warm soapy water. Then let it dry completely before reinstalling. Wipe away all cleaner residue with a clean, damp rag. Once everything is clean and dry, reinstall your grate and tools. Step back and admire your work. Your fireplace now looks fantastic and is ready for safe use. While you can clean the firebox, inspect your chimney with a flashlight for creosote buildup. If you see buildup 1/8 inch thick or more, it's time to call a certified chimney sweep. Professionals have the training and equipment to safely handle deep chimney cleaning and inspections. Install a chimney cap to prevent rain, animals, and debris from entering your chimney. With regular cleaning and professional maintenance, your fireplace remains a safe source of comfort and joy. A little care ensures your fireplace will continue bringing warmth and memories for years to come. No time to clean? Let us help. Call Bear Brothers Cleaning at 256-633-6332 or visit www.bearbroscleaning.com because your home deserves to be berry clean.